Hello and welcome to another edition of Chaos Craft. And what I wanted to show you guys right now is that I fixed the brain view. So I can view their brains in a big screen here, which is what we originally had before I added a bunch of other stuff. So you can see that Adam saw a cow and he attacked it a minute ago. Then he did something else up here. He's running amok doing stuff. Let's wait for another one to fire up. You can see a cow, so he's trying to attack it. It could be any of these various entities that we've got here, which is cow, chicken, pig, sheep. Because remember, Adam's the one I programmed. But the interesting thing is, I should have pulled this up. I checked this morning, and we had another block placer, which is Henry Fonda, Generation 3. And when I look for him, he didn't get deleted, which is nice. And I flagged him earlier. I don't know what happened there. And I made the no block placer. So let's see. He's not alive. He managed to die somehow. I kind of want to bring him back. So the interesting thing is, let's look for the block placing output. Place block output. Let's see, that shouldn't happen there. That should get deleted. So we got a place block output. Whoops. That looks like a bug. It's an interesting bug. I haven't seen that one before. These guys, I gotta fix that. Okay. So place block. Wow. That interesting. Interesting. Okay. I'm guessing it's that one because that looks like a really malformed decision tree here that I need to fix. So the only other place block that I'm seeing is this one here, which if is in type of water, it'll try and place block, which will place whatever's in hand in the water. So that makes sense. It could happen. The other one is if it rains, you could try and place block. So that's an interesting one. That's a malformed one. So I need to fix that. It'd probably save a lot of time if I fix these little bugs. So by fixing the brain view, I'm finding new things that I've got to fix here. But sounds good. He'd also need an equip, I think, which he has, an equip. I'm not quite sure how that would work. Force move to equip. There's another equip over here, but I'm pretty sure this isn't attached to an input. Yeah. It's ugly. So interesting. So he's got the proper nodes to do it, equip, and he also has a dig, which is good. He needs that in order to dig. So, well, that's it for today. It's not that exciting. I was just about to actually reset the Henry Fondas because they he managed to survive forever and have millions of kids, which they need to have a lifespan. What I'm thinking is as they get older, I might make the lifespan shorter or the accomplishments that they have to do shorter. You guys are boring. Frank Sinatra, that's all right. Generation Zeros shouldn't do anything. This guy, so just booted up and gotten kicked off. Socket connections are fickle. I also added in a little bit of code that makes it so previously, like when, let's just say Henry Fonda started spawning, the server would look for bots that had been spawned that haven't died yet, and it would just, if there's one available, it would pull it up. But then you end up with Henry Fonda having a ton of kids because he lived forever, and so there's all these Henry Fonda Generation 3s sitting there, Generation 2s, and then no other bots spawn. So now you get a 50-50 chance that it's going to be a new bot that spawns, which at least keeps it more interesting so it's not all just one generation. I don't know what this guy down here is doing. I wonder if he just dug his way down there. Looks like he wandered. Let's go. Oh, there's two guys down here. Let's drink some night vision potion and go find them. Ooh, we're active too. What do we got? Looks like it's I'm not sure he's a Henry Fonda. The O doesn't make any sense. I'm guessing it's somebody else. Yeah, it's a long enough name. That's a different generation. We can go find out if we want. They'll show up in a second when they get pinged. I guess I could request a ping. Checking in, we've got rogue bots. It's both frightening and hilarious at the same time. Hey, this guy's gonna die soon. I just pushed out that update for the age. He should die soon. They're active, so they're doing something. They're just not responding to our server. Oh, we have a subterranean dwelling bunch of guys. I think that's about enough for today. So, without further ado, I am going to let you guys go. It's just cool to see that we finally have we tracked one down that digs. So, all right, thank you everybody, and yeah, hopefully the bots won't rise up against us. Have a good one. I'm Matt. Shippergetoffthepot.com is my website. Check out the Chaos Cat Craft playlist for all the other ones. If you guys don't know what this is, learning, just check out the playlist. Thanks again. Bye.